Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the case and earbuds have enough charge so the update and pairing state stay stable. Low battery interrupts the process. Open the case and remove the earbuds carefully, keeping track of left and right. Once done, lay out replacement ear tips and a soft cloth. This reduces contamination and prevents losing tiny parts while you change tips. Make sure you can hear status chimes and see LED indicators before continuing to the next step. You remove a tip by gripping the silicone base, not the mesh, and pulling straight away to avoid tearing. This preserves the acoustic mesh and microphone integrity. Then inspect the new tip for the matching notch and orientation. Aligning it prevents airflow blockage and maintains noise cancellation performance. Press the replacement until you feel or hear a click so the retention mechanism engages. This ensures a proper seal, which affects fit, and you finish by placing the earbuds back in the case and closing it for a few seconds so sensors reset and the firmware recognizes the new tips. Afterward, wear them and play familiar audio while toggling transparency and active noise cancellation to confirm seal and performance. Differences indicate fit issues. If sound is hollow or ANC weak, reseat the tip or swap sizes until the seal improves. Troubleshooting tip. If one side sounds off, clean the mesh gently and reattach the tip. This fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.